Artemis 2 launch on track. NASA confident for April 1 moon mission, NASA is maintaining its target launch date of April 1 for the Artemis 2 mission, which will send astronauts on a flight around the moon. As of today, officials report 0 critical technical issues standing in the way of liftoff within the 6:24 p.m. to 8:24 p.m. EDT window. Mission readiness: the agency completed its flight readiness review on March 20, and since then, no major obstacles have emerged. According to Lori Glaze, NASA's acting associate administrator for Exploration Systems Development, all systems flight, ground, launch, and operations are fully prepared. The 4-person crew, including NASA astronauts Reed Weissman, Victor Glover, and Christina Koch, alongside Canadian astronaut Jeremy Hansen, arrived on March 30 and are also ready for the 10-day mission. Since that time, all of our operations have been going very smoothly. The crew arrived yesterday, and I know that they're ready. They are more than ready. Lori Glaze minor operational adjustments are ongoing, but none pose an immediate threat to the April 1 launch. Weather as the primary concern, the biggest remaining challenge is weather. Current forecasts show a 20% chance of a weather-related delay due to potential cumulus cloud formations in the lower troposphere. However, NASA has backup launch windows through April 6 if needed. The Artemis program's next step, Artemis 2, marks the first crewed mission in NASA's Artemis program, aiming to return humans to the moon and eventually establish a permanent lunar base. The spacecraft, Orion, will not enter lunar orbit, but will instead execute a figure-8 trajectory around the far side of the moon before heading back to Earth. This flight is a critical test for Orion, which previously completed an uncrewed lunar orbit in November 2022 as part of Artemis 1. The success of Artemis 2 will set the stage for Artemis 3, which will demonstrate lunar lander docking operations in Earth orbit, and ultimately lead to Artemis 4, the first crewed lunar landing in over half a century. NASA is confident and prepared to proceed, with Glaze concluding, "We are getting very, very close, and we are ready."